Traveling to Cape Town was my first time ever leaving the United States.
Some of the first things that I noticed were A, how nice everyone is, B, the active and lively and outgoing lifestyle, and C, the incredible work-life balance.
Cape Town was just an absolutely beautiful city.
I've come to fall in love with a new city that I like to call kind of a second home in that sense.
I have never lived that close to the beach, but it was just a walk away from accommodation.
There's not many places in the world where there's tall mountains to your right and oceans to your left.
Meeting people from across the country and other universities, it's very interesting, almost humbling in a way, that there's so much more out there than what was previously thought.
Cape Town is such a vibrant and energetic culture. Everyone there just seems super happy.
The overwhelming positivity that I got the instant I touched down, and that sustained throughout those 6 weeks, was really took me away.
It was a great professional and personal opportunity to explore a new country, a new culture, as well as develop some professional skills.
Learning to be friends with people that are so diverse, because the group of students there were all from different universities, all from different places across the country, as well as other countries as well, and I never would have had the opportunity to meet them otherwise.
I loved my teacher, Shivani. She was not only an instructor, but a mentor to the class, and her intelligence and candid expression of her thoughts and feelings highlighted why she was such a powerful presence.
The perspective that we gained in Cape Town and being able to connect with a variety of people, that will be, above all else, helpful in our professional careers.
I'm very grateful to have had that experience and that push towards adaptation that has enabled me to learn so much about such a rich culture.
Looking forward to the day where I get to travel back and just visit Cape Town for a second time.
I really feel a connection with not just the city, but with the people I met there, and they really brought out the best in the city.